Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Hummer H1 concept emerges as a fusion of classic military might and modern innovation, a vehicle engineered for rugged adventures and refined performance. Its exterior design unfolds step by step, beginning with a bold front grille enhanced by dynamic LED arrays that assert its aggressive character, followed by sculpted, reinforced body panels and massive off-road tires, ensuring unparalleled grip on challenging terrain. However, its imposing size can limit maneuverability in tight urban settings. Inside, the cabin is meticulously crafted with premium, weather-resistant materials. Step by step, one encounters ergonomic, heated seats, a 14-inch digital dashboard, and intuitive controls that deliver real-time off-road telemetry. Though the abundance of high-tech features may overwhelm traditional drivers. Performance-wise, the H1 concept is powered by a twin-turbo V8 hybrid engine producing over 800 horsepower and 1,000 lb-ft of torque, propelling it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds with a top speed near 130 miles per hour. Farida's precision tuning enhances throttle response and stability, yet some users report issues with suspension calibration and the high cost of replacement parts. Priced competitively for enthusiasts age 40 and above, this Hummer competes with rugged models like the Land Rover Defender and Jeep Wrangler, offering a balanced blend of brute force and luxury comfort. With a 3-year warranty and options for extended service plans, necessary accessories such as upgraded brakes and all-terrain tires are recommended to ensure optimal performance. Its innovative design and advanced performance make it the ideal ride for thrill seekers and collectors alike, setting new standards compared to previous H1 iterations and rivals indeed.